Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to use ChatGPT on Microsoft Word. When you open your Microsoft Word, come to Home tab, find Add-ins, More ads. On Microsoft Word we have a different chatbot, but we need ChatGPT. Search here ChatGPT for Word. Here you will see ChatGPT for MS Word. If you type here ChatGPT for MS Word, it's better. Add, continue. Here we have different item like type something, some button like improve writing, make text similar, fix spelling, and also make it more professional. We will use one by one. Here I have more than 1000 words. It is about Microsoft Word. I want to summarize this word on 300 words. Just press Ctrl with A to select all. Write here your comment. Click on Go. Summarize the text to 300 words. Wait a few moments. Look, we summarized to 300. It is around 300. It is not fixed. It is around 247. Okay. Here is improve writing. I want to select this text, then click on improve writing. Go. Now this paragraph is better than previous. And also you can use make text similar. Go. Look, this text is similar. Here we have other important part, fix spelling and grammar. Here I have one paragraph about Microsoft Word. It has a lot of spelling mistake and grammar mistake. Let us fix it. Select your text, then click here, fix spelling and grammar. Go. Now this text is without spelling mistake and grammar mistake. If you want to make it more professional, click here, make it more professional. Go. Now this paragraph is a little professional. Guys, I hope you enjoy from this video. In the end, please like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content like this. Have a good time. See you soon.